How to contact Bolt customer support? Need help from Bolt directly? Here's the fastest way to reach their support team. First, open your Bolt app and tap your profile icon. Scroll down to find support or help. From here, you can select the topic you are facing, like ride issues, refunds, or driver problems. Bolt will either give you quick FAQs or open a chat or email option to contact their team. If you are unable to reach them through the app, visit the official Bolt Help Center on their website for live chat or ticket submission. When contacting support, always include your ride ID or payment details. It speeds up resolution a lot faster. Have you ever contacted Bolt support before? How was your experience? Let us know about it in the comments below. And that's how you can contact Bolt customer support. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.